Exercise 5.4 completely mostly dependent on the derivative of the exponential and logarithmic functions. Okay, so main thing you need to remember, d by dx of e power x is equals to e power x. Okay, and d by dx of derivative of the log x is equals to 1 by x. Okay, so these things you try to remember here. Whenever you are taking consider, based on this only you are going to have the exercise 5.4. The first problem is asking differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of e power x by sin x you need to find out. Okay, so this is u by v method. So what do you get? D by dx of u by v is nothing but v into d by dx of, so that is nothing but sin x into d by dx of e power x minus e power x into d by dx of sin x by sin square x sin x whole square. So which is equals to the differentiation of the e power x is e power x. So e power x into sin x minus e power x into sin x differentiation is cos x. So cos x by sin square x. So if you want this e power x, you can take common sin x minus cos x by sin square x. So that's all the differentiation for this. E power sin inverse x. Next question is given to you. Second question is d by dx of e power sin inverse x. So what to do here? E power x form में x plus sin inverse x is there. So the differentiation of e power x is again e power x. But again you need to do the differentiation of sin inverse x. Sin inverse x differentiation is what here? Do anyone remember what is the sin inverse x differentiation? Under root of 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Under root of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse x differentiation minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Tan inverse x differentiation 1 by 1 plus x square. Cot inverse x differentiation minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Secant inverse x differentiation 1 by x into under root of 1 x square minus 1. Cosec inverse x differentiation minus 1 by x into under root of x square minus 1. That all should be on your tip of the tongue. That all should be on your tip of the tongue. So third problem, easy, you can do it. It's not a very difficult to you. You consider that problem as a homework. Okay. So next, let us move to the next problem. Fourth one, sine of tan inverse e power x. See here in this sine of tan inverse e power minus x. Yes. First, what to do? Give inside the sine k, inside whatever it is that you consider as a x zone. So differentiation you need to do here. D by dx of this, which is equals to sin x differentiation cos x. Cos ब्रैकेट्स में क्या है वही लिखना है. Now what to do? D by dx of ब्रैकेट्स में क्या है उसका differentiation करना है. Now what to do here? Tan inverse of something you consider as a x zone. Tan inverse x differentiation 1 by 1 plus x square. So which is equals to cos of tan inverse e power minus x into 1 by 1 plus x square. X का place में e power minus x square. And then again we need to do the differentiation of that x whatever we consider. X का place में e power minus x. उसका differentiation है. If you want, you can write that part here. Cos of tan inverse e power minus x divided by 1 plus e power minus 2x. E power minus x differentiation, e power of x only consider. Oh, minus x को x consider करना. So e power x differentiation e power x only. So x का place में. But again you need to do the differentiation of minus x. Minus x differentiation minus आ जाएगा. So minus 1. So minus e power minus x into cos of tan inverse e power minus x by 1 plus e power minus 2x. Problem is simple problem. These all the questions you may get in multiple choice questions. You may think that So this term 1 is having a multiple choice this year. So what is the need of all these problems? No, when you are solving all these problems, you get a subject. With that subject, you will be able to solve the multiple choice questions. Multiple choice question exam में बोल के direct multiple choice questions solve नहीं करना है. First you need to learn the subject. Okay. So this is the fourth problem, and fifth problem it is given to you log. Logarithm of cos e power x. So d by dx of log x क्या है? 1 by x. तो ये x मान लो. So 1 by cos e power x. d by dx of cos e power x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So minus sin e power x by cos e power x. Problem complete नहीं है. d by dx of again e power x. E power x का differentiation. E power x differentiation is e power x minus e power x of sin e power x by cos e power x can be written as tan e power x. The final answer is minus e power x tan e power x. Okay. So like this only the remaining problems in this exercise are very simple here, not more difficult to you to solve these problems. Okay. But let us discuss all. So what is the next problem here? It is given sixth one. D by dx of e power x plus e power x square plus and so on e power x power 5. E power x square plus and so on e power x power 5. E power x differentiation is e power x1. E power x square differentiation is e power x square. But x square ka differentiation again you need to do that. That is 2x. X square differentiation is 2x. Is it okay? समझ में आया ना? Plus e power x cube हो जाएगा. X cube differentiation is 3x square. E power x power 4 it is not given to you. 4x cube. E power x power 5. 5x power 4. That's all. This is a single answer. Single step question है. It's not more difficult to you. Next question is given that d by dx of e power so under root of e power root x. So root x differentiation is what? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. D by dx of under the root whatever it is there that you have to do it. Under the root. Under the root क्या है? E power root x होते. उसका differentiation. E power root x differentiation is e power x only. So e power root x by 2 into under root of e power root x. And d by dx of root x. Now this time root x differentiation should be done. So what do you get here? This one. If you are simplifying this, root of e power root x by 2 आ जाएगा. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So which is equals to e power under root of e power root x by 4 root x. So this is the final answer for this. Eighth question looks like a something. See, all these questions are very simple questions. Eighth question looks like a little bit complicated. दिखने में ऐसा दिखता है. What is the question given to you? You need to find out the differentiation of log x. Simple things है ना. You need to consider inside the bracket as a one x only. Log something बोलो. If you are getting confused, log something is nothing but log x is nothing but differentiation 1 by x. Log x differentiation is what? 1 by x. Log something is not 1 by something. So the differentiation is 1 by something. वो something क्या है? Log x. Again differentiation of that something should be done. वो something का differentiation करना है दोबारा. Whatever you are having here, log x you are having. So 1 by log x. Differentiation of the log x is 1 by x. So 1 by x log x. This is the differentiation of that. Still 2 more problems only left over in this. That 2 let us discuss in 90 problems we have. Cos x by log x. So we need to find out the d by dx of cos x by log x. So which is equals to, what to do here? U by v method. Okay, f of x by g of x. Differentiation of f of x by g of x can be written as g of x denominator into d by dx of numerator minus numerator into d by dx of denominator by denominator whole square. Log x whole square. Log x whole square cannot be written now. Log x square लिखना नहीं है. Log x into log x. Log x square. This is completely different from log x square beta. Please try to understand. That is what you know. Log x plus log x है. वो. Because using the logarithms, this you are going to get 2 into log x. 2 into log x means log x 2 times add करना. Log x plus log x. Here log x whole square, log x into log x. Log x whole square is nothing. So let it be as it is only. The differentiation of the sin cos x is minus sin x. So minus sin x into log x minus cos x. Differentiation of log x is by x. So differentiation of the cos x is cos x by x by log x whole square. That's all fine. If you are still want to simplify this, you can write this one as a x sin minus x sin x log x minus cos x by वो x को LCM कर लिया नीचे आ जाएगा x into log x whole square. This is the final answer. Okay? Did you get my point? समझ में आया ना? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Tenth problem. D by dx of cos log x plus e power x. Log x plus e power x. Where x greater than 2. Cos log x plus e power x. Okay. So ये cos something. Cos something differentiation is minus sin something. Now differentiation of that something. So differentiation of the log x is 1 by x. Differentiation of the e power x is e power x1. So we are going to get minus sin. All the problems are very simple here. Directly 1 by x plus e power x. That's all. This is the final answer. This is using the logarithmic differentiation and exponential functions